we have this easy reach and grab reaching tool. Extends your reach by 3 feet. I'm not sure on the quality on this one. I got this off Harbor Freight. So let's go ahead and open it up. So the main reason I'm interested is using it outdoors. Picking up trash makes picking up trash really easy. So a lot of times you have the wind or the neighbor's dogs, they bring out the trash. And with this little thing, it makes it so much easier. Here it is. There are some other places where you can find them a better quality. This is probably the cheapest you can get. I'm yet to find the better quality ones. I haven't searched it up that well. Yeah, you can feel that it's very cheaply made. They do sell these similar one off. It's like a green one over at Home Depot. It does work well, but it doesn't have this little handle. And if you're using it on the long run for a few hours or so, you're gonna start to feel it, fatigue on the hand. With these, it's a lot easier. Let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, so I have the bag here, the trash. Let's go ahead and pick it up. It's really easy. Some other trash here. Really fast, you can clean up in no time. This thing is pretty hard to get. I'm gonna try something else. Okay, so this is bigger. Gets it with these. And for those hard to reach areas where there's plants in there, so easy. Got some more right here. This one is pretty on there. And these things are the hardest when you pick them up.